Step one of making your Blogger account is type in blogger.com. And what you're going to do is you want to click create your blog. Choose the account that you want. You take your school account. You might just have to click new blog if you already have a blog. You want the title to be PHS9, your nickname, and then this should be PHS9, your nickname, blogspot.com. Take the simple one and then create your blog. Skip the domain. Then when you do post, you click new post. This is to add pictures. This is to add video. You always go with adding pictures. When you add video, it's very, very poorly done. If you have to do a video, you probably would best be served by clicking a link and doing a YouTube link or a Google Drive link. Whenever you post, it must have a title, and you can put labels if you want. It's up to you. It might be good for us to have labels like lab or homework, etc. You must have a title. You must have something here, and then you click publish. It'll send you back to this page. If you see draft here, it did not publish. That means I can't see it. It has to be published so I can see it here. If you want to edit it, you click edit, and you go back to here, and then after you do whatever edits you want, you update.